Alright guys, so what is up? It is Jake again from Soul Professor, and today I have a pickup that I actually got today, Sunday the 13th, but released yesterday, and I thought it was actually going to be sold out, but luck strikes me, and it happened, so they were there. I went to the Freehold Mall in Freehold, New Jersey, if you guys didn't know, and I guess there's not a lot of sneakerheads around there in southern New Jersey. I live in northern New Jersey, but I guess there aren't because, I mean, there were a lot of shoes there that shouldn't have been there. There were the Thunder 14s, the black, red, blue, and the Wolf Gray Futures. There were some other LeBrons. Most of the Independence pack was there, the Kobe's, LeBron High and Lows. KD7s weren't there. So anyway, getting into my pickup. If you guys didn't already notice from the box, KD7. Not really. This is like my first seeing of the KD, like having it in my hand for as my own shoe. And from the box, I don't really like it. I don't like this. I like the idea, but I just don't like this pattern. I don't know what it has to do with anything with KD or lightning. This has to do with lightning because it's like, oh, it looks like waves to me. I don't know. KD, it's definitely an up to the boxes that have been in the past. Last year was maybe the first year that there was actually a good box, in my opinion. Right here it says KD7, KD Veal 2, Bright Mango, Special Black, Light Magnet Gray, and Blue Volt. I don't know. Okay, anyway, yeah, they retail at $150, which is a $20 increase, and I'm not too mad about that. I mean, KD is probably the only shoe that actually is a good price for me, and for what they did to the shoe, I really think it was really worth the increase in $20 price. White paper, and here are the shoes. So we have the 35,000 degree colorway. I don't know how my camera's picking it up, but it's really a light peach right here, and then this is a really bright orange. And I love them. I love the inside look. I don't know why, but I love the way this looks. I don't know why. The outside look, I mean, it's okay. It's definitely a step up from the 6, which I used to have. I sold mine just because I didn't really like the model. I didn't like the shoe, and it kind of wore out too fast. I have basketball camp this week, so I'm very excited to see how these perform on court, and I will definitely make another video saying how I feel about these. But definitely a dope shoe. The bottoms are definitely really cool. This is the Volt bottom. Right here we have the state of Maryland, which is where he was born, raised. Let's see, right here to the Big Chucky. KD right here. I'm pretty sure that's it on the bottoms. And then on the back it has 3 stars. I'm not sure why, but I'm going to have to look that up. And then lightning bolt on the front. Definitely stepped it up a notch with the laces, because these are mango laces with the Volt like stitches, which I definitely love. Nice step up from the old laces. This is like the light magnet gray right strap. On the inside, it does say Wanda, Barbara, Wayne, and Tony. His brother, his dad, and his aunt, and his mom. I think Barbara was his Wanda was his aunt, I'm pretty sure. Barbara was I'm not sure, but either Wanda or Barbara was his aunt, the one who had breast cancer, unfortunately, and passed, but we will always remember her. Or it was Aunt Pearl, but I know one of them is the aunt, but definitely will always remember Aunt Pearl. And I'm very excited to see what the Aunt Pearl KD7 will look like, because this is a crazy material, which it's like a foam positive material, which will allow for some great graphics. I'm not sure what these graphics are. When I first saw it, I thought it was zebra print, but it's not. The 3 and the 5 and the 7 in the middle, great looking logo. I really do like it when they put like the hidden tricks in it, like the CP3 logo. new tongue, not sideways, thank God. And it looks really nice. In the back, it's kind of weird, but it has like a little bit of plush right there, which is kind of cool. It's a really nice looking unit too. It just looks like the LeBron unit. That was in the LeBrons. Right here we've got our, I can't even think today, but leave a one in the comment. This is called, I can't think straight today, but there's some like string thing, I forget what it's called. I really do. I'm stalling today, I'm tired, and I just don't remember. This is like a darker mango color right here, and it's kind of like, if I could compare the mesh to any single shoe that's out right now, I'd definitely compare it to the Kobe's, because right here it's the mesh and it gets harder right here. That's how the Kobe's are. If you do get these, I would definitely go half or full size up, because as you guys might not know, Katie's foot is kind of messed up, if you will. So his foot is like really big and thin, and I have a wide foot, so I had to go up to a 12, which is my regular size now because my foot is kind of big. So that's how I kind of wear it. Another thing is, I think that kids might start wearing them like this, because I mean, I wouldn't, just look stupid in my opinion. But I mean, it's first of all, there's a huge gap right here because on the inside the laces go on the inside of here, which I don't really like. So there's a huge gap, no laces right there, because it looks really stupid. That's why the strap is there. And on the KD4 they had like Velcro right here, so it would strap in, because that's how they were supposed to be kind of worn if you wanted. With these, it's not like that. You have to kind of put them into the thing. So I think the best way to maybe rock them is go to the bare end. So therefore, it's not tight around you. If you want to, I think the best way to rock them is just like this. Maybe a little looser. But that's how I'll probably rock mine. And yeah, I really love these. So that's pretty much it. Stay humble, and your boy Soul Professor out.